A man is flying around in a hot air balloon and realizes he has no idea where he is. In the field, he spots a person, so he flies a bit closer and calls out, "Excuse me, can you tell me where I am? I was supposed to meet my friend half an hour ago, but I'm kind of lost." The man in the field replies, "Yes, of course. You're in a hot air balloon, hovering 10 meters above this field." "You must be an engineer," says the balloonist. "That's right," the man replies. "How did you know?" "Well, everything you told me is technically correct, but I have no idea what to do with your information." The man in the field replies, "And I'm sure you work in manufacturing planning." "That's correct," replies the man in the balloon. "How did you know?" "Well," says the other one, "you don't know where you are or where you want to go. You made a promise you can't keep. The fact is, you're in exactly the same position you were in before we met. But now it's suddenly my fault." Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Michelle, and here we're all about technology and industry. Could you tell from the example earlier what we're talking about today? If you came up with intelligent manufacturing planning, you're right. In the battle for competitive advantage, manufacturing companies are constantly looking for ways to streamline, increase responsiveness, and obtain additional and, above all, smarter data. That is why companies that focus on manufacturing automation in the context of ERP, MES, SCADA, and real-time data from the PLC are particularly successful at this today. A manufacturing execution system, MES, or production control system functions as an intermediary in this group. It obtains its data from production and makes it available to the ERP system and management. A production control system, like our MyExpert Production Manager, replaces fragmented systems, creating a bridge between the management and shop floor. The result? A seamless overview for critical data in all manufacturing processes. This eliminates the need for standalone systems and mindless data re-entry. Better information is provided on expected delivery dates of orders, making decision-making easier. A good MES provides real-time analytics, such as performance and quality indicators, presented in a user-friendly graphical format that mimics the process at hand. The MyExpert Production Manager database system combines as much real-time information as possible, so you can make real-time decisions. Also, MyExpert Touch terminals can be integrated for user-friendly operation if required. They allow operators to start and stop work orders, enter quality data, view equipment downtime, and real-time KPI metrics. If you want to realize less error-prone processes and faster workflows, an MES like the MyExpert Production Manager is your key to success. We look forward to introducing you to numerous other advantages of our software for manufacturing companies in a personal meeting if you like. Now, all you have to do is get in touch with us, whether by phone, email, or hop on your hot air balloon and fly to our showroom here in Reiden. You can see how to get there in this short video. Do you have any questions, comments, or ideas for another video? Just write it down in the comments. We'll be happy to read them. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. There's a new video on our info channel every week. Check out our other social media channels for more interesting things about technology and industry. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!